Here's a weather update for Tuesday night into Wednesday and throughout Wednesday. Gusty winds of 30 to 45 miles per hour plus statewide across Ohio. Then rain will also be likely across Ohio. So make sure that you take your Christmas decorations and make sure they are secure so they don't go flying everywhere. Then I'm keeping a very close eye on Thursday night into Friday, where we could see widespread 1 to 2+ inches of snow across Ohio. This would cause school delays and closings to occur, and this would make for hazardous weather conditions across Ohio. So I am keeping a very close eye on this. Don't forget to follow and tell me where you're seeing this from. Bye!